Lead counsel Patrick Gomez questioned Mayor Bensouda on the council's authority to withdraw money without formal approval. Bensouda clarified that the chief executive officer manages the withdrawal process, asserting that the council, as an executive body, has the authority to pass resolutions on such matters. Gomez also pressed the mayor on the council's source of authority for approving a financial threshold when the audit office, according to Section 32, subsection 2 of the Financial Audit Act, fails to provide one.
So the Act provides that a financial manual, I think that's why the Act provides for Section 41.
Yes.
That the minister shall, in consultation with minister responsible for finance,
right,
by order published in Gazette,
yes,
prescribed a financial and accounting manual for control and management of financial business of councils,
right,
without prejudice to the generality of Section 1.
Right.
The financial manual shall make provision for the operation of financial departments of local authorities, procurement in accordance with the GPPA Act and consistent with the rules and regulations under the Act. So we can, I don't want to read the mention of that, but then the financial manual was created but never gazetted.
Right.
So never furnished to the councils to operate.
Right.
So I think that's the real problem here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now, be it as it may, there was some form of approval in council. And so
Bensouda responded. On the subject of staff salaries, Mayor Bensouda noted that the Financial Committee recommended that employees be paid through bank accounts instead of in cash, a resolution that was subsequently presented as per the FPAC report. He also highlighted some of the challenges associated with the daily cash payments.
Daily pays, how it started, I believe it started under Yankuba Koli or Laikonte. Was that there was a demand for temporary labor. That's why they say daily paid.
Yes.
And they would pay them daily, I think $50 a day, but gradually it has been increasing. And the reason they were not salaried, because the concept at the time was that you can use a daily paid today, day laborer, and tomorrow they might not come. But what we've seen recently is that the same daily pays are used for longer periods. So the right thing was that instead of paying them cash, they should be paid through their accounts.
Yes.
And that's what FPAC brought to the notice of the council.
Yes. That's what.
Regarding payment clearances for recurring expenses, Bensouda stated that the CEO and the Director of Finance were responsible for this, emphasizing that these are not procurement but rather recurring expenses. Gomez questioned the eligibility of these officials to handle such clearances.
Do they have the power to clear payments?
Yes, they are the chief accounting officers, and these are recurring expenses. They are not procurements. They are salaried workers.
Yes, but then we don't have where it states in the Act that the CEO and the finance director, in the case of salary, in the case of salaries, that they can clear the withdrawals.
Yes, but I think it is implied.
How is it implied?
I think in terms of the operation of any organization,
right,
it goes without saying salaries must be paid.
Right.
When questioned about budget allocations, Bensouda confirmed that conferences and congresses, both local and overseas, were budgeted for $3 million Gambian dollars in 2019. However, a more serious issue concerning councillors' allowances. Lead counsel Gomez questioned whether the council had followed the proper procedure for approving these allowances, which, according to the Local Government Act, must be approved by the Minister of Finance. Mayor Bensouda admitted that the council did not act in accordance with the law on this matter. The commission continues its work, investigating the financial and administrative conduct of local government institutions across the country. For Star TV News, I am Hadijaju.